Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Before we begin today's lesson, I want to share something very important with all of you. Please don't focus too much on my pronunciation or the small mistakes I make while speaking English. I am also learning English and this YouTube channel is my daily practice journey. I believe that no one becomes fluent on the first day. Fluency comes with daily practice, patience, and consistency. That is why I am practicing English here without fear. If you also want to improve your English, please don't wait until you become perfect. Start speaking today. Even if you can speak for only 2 or 3 minutes, that's completely okay. You can record your voice, or if you like, you can even start your own YouTube channel. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Your first sentence doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. Every day you will become a little better than yesterday. I am also at the beginning of my journey, and I truly believe that if I practice every day with all of you, one day we will all speak English with confidence. Whatever methods, habits, and strategies I use to improve my English, I will honestly share everything on this channel. My dream is not only to improve my English but also to grow together with all of you. So let's continue this beautiful journey together. Now, before we begin our new chapter, let's quickly remember what we learned in our sentence lessons. We started by understanding what a sentence is. Then we learned that every complete sentence has two important parts, the subject and the predicate. After that, we practiced finding the subject and the predicate through many simple sentences. Next, we learned the four types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. We also enjoyed learning through small moral stories because stories make grammar easy to remember. So today we have completed the basic sentence chapter. Congratulations! Now we are ready to start a brand new chapter of English grammar. Today's topic is noun. Don't worry, this chapter is very easy. Let's understand it step by step. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea. अगर मैं इसे बहुत आसान हिंदी में कहूँ तो जिस किसी का भी नाम होता है उसे हम नाउन कहते हैं. It can be the name of a person, it can be the name of a place, it can be the name of an animal, it can be the name of a thing. It can also be the name of a feeling, quality or idea. For example, Rahul is a noun because Rahul is the name of a person. Delhi is a noun because Delhi is the name of a place. Book is a noun because it is the name of a thing. Honesty is a noun because honesty is the name of a good quality. अब एक छोटी सी ट्रिक याद रखिए. Whenever you hear or speak the name of someone or something, ask yourself one question: is it a name? If the answer is yes, it is probably a noun. Let's practice with a few single sentences. Rahul is reading a book. Here, Rahul and book are nouns. My mother lives in Delhi. Mother and Delhi are nouns. The dog is running in the park. Dog and park are nouns. Honesty makes a person great. Honesty and person are nouns. धीरे धीरे हमें nouns पहचानना आसान लगने लगेगा. Don't worry if you cannot identify every noun today. Learning English is a journey. Every lesson makes you a little stronger. We will continue practicing together in the coming videos, right? Now let's end today's lesson with a beautiful moral story. There was a young girl who wanted to learn English. In the beginning, she was afraid of making mistakes. Whenever she spoke, she thought that people would laugh at her. But one day she made a decision. She said, I will practice every day when if I make mistakes. She spoke for 5 minutes every day, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. Day by day, her confidence started growing. Her mistakes became fewer. Her pronunciation became better. Most importantly, she stopped being afraid. After 1 year, she could speak English confidently. People appreciated her progress. They thought that she was naturally talented, but they did not know the truth. Her success came from small efforts, repeated every single day. The moral of the story is very simple. Never be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. Practice is your best friend. Patience is your greatest strength. If you keep learning every day, success will surely come. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Let's learn English together, one day at a time. See you in the next lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Hare Krishna to my dear friends.